everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I got my Boxycharm. This is February's Boxycharm, so I thought we would open it together because I want to see what I got. I do watch spoilers now. I follow Boxycharm on Instagram, so I kind of know what's going on, but I don't know exactly everything. I do see one thing right on top that I knew I was getting. So the first thing that's right on top of mine is this Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. There we go. Let's let you guys see that. I hope it's clear. I think so. I tested this in my Sample Stash Monday. It's been a while. I don't know which one it was, but I tested it and I loved this. And I actually said I would buy that, but I have a lot of primers, you know, as I'm trying to use them up. But I'm very happy to receive this. This is a nice bottle. It's a glass bottle. It's really nice. Yeah, I can put some on my hand. Let's see. There we go. It's a pale pink. Oh, that feels nice. And it is very blurring. I can see that. I know you won't be able to see, but I can see that. It feels nice. So I'm excited to get that. Very happy with that. That sells for $18. Okay. Now, ooh. See, I didn't know I was getting this. The Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick in River Clay. Let me show you guys. There we go. You can see that. There we go. And my color is River Clay. Alright, let's take a look at this. I happen to like plumping gel, well, lips. I like the lip injections. I think they make nice lip gloss for me. I don't mind the tingle. It doesn't bother me a bit. I don't know how tingly these are. It says it's comfortable to wear. It comes in a whole bunch of shades. This one looks very neutral. This is what it looks like. And look, you can see the color. Oh, yeah. Hello. I don't like the smell. It has a weird smell. It reminds me of like a garage where you work on cars. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm smelling. I am going to swatch this. I have my wipes right here, so I can take it off. That's actually a pretty shade. Can you see? There we go. That's a nice shade. I will wear that. Let me grab a wipe because I don't know if that'll start tingling on my hands. It's not good to swatch those plumping lips because they will start hurting. So let's see how much that is. $25. You know what? $25 for that size of a lip. That's a pretty good size one. I don't think it's too bad. I think that's good. Okay, and from Pretty Vulgar. I love this packaging. You know, I have the blush that's in this packaging. I got a highlighter in Shimmering Swan. There we go. That's what it looks like. Let me swatch it. It's pretty. It's I don't know how would I describe that color? I'm not sure if you can see. My swatching's terrible today. I don't know if you can see that. Not good swatching today. It's a warm tone. I see gold. I see a little bit of light peach, maybe a champagne-y kind of color. That's pretty. I like that. I think that's pretty. It's a pretty highlighter, so I'm happy with that. That sells for $32. Oh, I got the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. I am actually going to keep this one. I have tried this mascara, but only in sample sizes. And I do like it. I like this mascara. And this one is huge. It's got a nice weight to it. I've never owned a full-size one. This sells for $24. You know, you only pay $21 for this box. So this right there definitely pays for this box. So, yeah, I like that. And then last, wow, right here. Tula Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Masks. I got 2 of them. See if you can see that. Tilt it down. It's in this like Ziploc bag. But I got 2 packs of them. Did I get too many? Because I got another set of 2 masks. So it says on my card, Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask ×2. Maybe I was supposed to get 2 packs, a total of 4. So it sells for $24. So maybe that's for 4. Maybe it's 12 for 2. I don't really know for sure. But pretty cool. I have not seen, well, I haven't seen but 2 unboxings so far. And these were not in anybody's unboxings that I saw. According to the card, I have version number 4. That's the version I have for my Boxycharm. So I got the sheet mask, highlighter, mascara, primer, and the Grande lips. And I'm not unhappy with anything I got. Let me see if I can kind of round up and add up in my head how much it is here. Okay, I think mine comes to around $123. I think that's what mine comes to. So I feel pretty good about that. I think that's great. The unboxings I've seen, I don't think their boxes added up to that much. I could be off. I was just adding it in my head. But I am very happy with everything I got in my box. The lips and the face mask were a total surprise to me. I wasn't expecting. Yeah, the lips and the face mask. I knew I was getting the mascara. I knew I was getting the primer. And I knew I was getting the highlighter. But the rest was surprise, and I'm very happy with it. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know what you got in this month's Boxycharm. If you got anything different, if you got anything that I got, your opinions on these products, I'd love to hear them. And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time.